Hello, welcome to another Sleepy Developer Tutorials. My name is Justin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to link your Rattlehead NFT to your Megadeth Digital.io account so that way you can reap the physical benefits of holding an NFT. So what are some of those benefits? Well, you can get early access to purchasing tickets for shows. You can get access to the Cyber Army. You can get access to various exclusive raffles to get different signed autographs, memorabilia. There is a Q&A that takes place with the band periodically on Discord. There are lots of different benefits. Another really cool one is early entrance to the shows. So you can buy merch from the stands without all the crowds. And then you can, if you're on the floor, you can get right up front and center at the stage before the big crowd gets in. So you can get your spot. So it's a really cool benefit to have. And so I'm going to be showing you today how you would go ahead and do that. And so I assume that you already have the NFT, you've acquired it somehow, whether you purchased it from an exchange or you minted it, you transferred it, you bought it secondhand, whatever method, I assume you already have it. And I assume you already have a wallet set up that you have custody over. And today I'm going to be using a hardware wallet. This is a Ledger Flex, and you can see my NFT is my wallpaper. So I'm going to be showing how to do that. Now you can go ahead and do this without a hardware wallet, and I will point out where you would deviate from what I'm doing to do that with software instead of a hardware wallet. So let's go ahead and get started. So here I'm using Chrome, and I've got my browser already pointed to megadethdigital.io. I'm going to go ahead, if you look up in the upper right hand corner, it says Connect Wallet, and it has select my provider. I can either use a DApp provider or Crossmint. Now Crossmint is an exchange, kind of like Coinbase. You can buy, using fiat currency, you can buy cryptocurrencies, you can buy NFTs and other things like that. And it creates a wallet for you. And that can get a little confusing on how to transfer everything over. So I would recommend avoiding those headaches. If you do buy it from Crossmint, create a different wallet and transfer it from your Crossmint to your other wallet. It'll just make it easier. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on DApp provider, and you'll notice I get this little error here that says compatible DApp wallet not found. Try installing MetaMask. I'm assuming that you don't already have MetaMask installed. If you do, you can skip ahead in the video. So how do we install MetaMask? Well, if you go to metamask.io, you'll see there is a Get MetaMask link that you can click on that will install the extension. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and add that, and it will ask me to accept the terms. But before I do anything, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the extension and pin it. That way I have access to my MetaMask and my wallet wherever I am on the web. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and click I agree. And then you have two options here. You can create a new wallet, or you can import an existing wallet. So I have an existing wallet, and I'm going to be using my Flex for that. But the way how MetaMask is configured is that you have to have at least one soft wallet before you can add a hardware wallet. So I could create a new wallet, and then that has nothing in it, and I can add this hardware wallet to it, or I can import an existing soft wallet. And I'm going to import an existing soft wallet that doesn't have my NFT in it. Now, here's that point where I was talking about. If you don't have a ledger or a hardware wallet that you want to use, but you have a wallet that you already have an NFT in it, you can then you can import an existing wallet, and you can enter in the phrase that you have for it. So I'm going to go ahead and click import an existing, and I'm not going to help improve MetaMask. So you can see here it says access your wallet with your secret recovery phrase. So again, if you already have a wallet that has the Megadeth Digital NFT in it, you would just enter in the passphrase there, or the secret recovery phrase. since I have a wallet, a hardware wallet, I'm going to have to do that in the next step. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my my soft wallet that doesn't have the NFT. Let's see if I can do this without messing it up. I can do it on the first try. And also do it without mouthing what my words are, so I don't give it up. Can you guys see the words reflected in my glasses? I better not talk and type, because I'm definitely going to mess this up. Okay, 2 more. Oh, wow. I did it the first time. That's a treasure. All right, confirm secret recovery phrase. And now it's going to ask me to create a password. Now this password just unlocks your access to your wallet through your browser. This is just a layer of security. You know, let's say your friend comes over and gets on your computer. They can't access your crypto and start signing stuff or sending your crypto to their wallet. So this is a means to do that. Just because this is a demo, I'm not going to put in a really complicated password, but I would recommend putting in something in here that somebody wouldn't be able to guess. And again, one of the things that this has here is they have this checkbox says, I understand that MetaMask can't recover this password. Don't worry if you forget it. The most important thing is your secret recovery phrase. If you forget the MetaMask password, you can delete the extension, add it back, and then re-enter in your secret recovery phrase, and you're good to go. That's one of the benefits of the blockchain. The most important part is the recovery phrase. Don't let that get out. Don't lose it. Keep it safe, and keep it secret. So I'm going to go ahead and import my wallet, and you can see we've successfully created it. Great. So I'm going to go ahead and click got it. Now it's going to give me some tutorial stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and click through that. That's going to ask me if I want enhanced transaction protection. I'm going to go ahead and enable it. If you're curious, you can click on learn more to learn more about what that does. So great. Now you can see here, I've got my wallet attached. If you were using a software wallet, you would just go ahead and click on NFTs, and you would see your Rattlehead appear there. Now I need to go ahead and add my hardware wallet. So I'm going to go ahead now and do that. So to do that, I'm going to click on account, and you can see here it says add account or hardware wallet. So once I do that, you'll see at the bottom it says add hardware wallet. If I click on that, it comes up with 4 different options. I have Ledger, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to scroll down and click continue. It's going to ask me to connect, and when I click connect, it says unlock your hardware Ledger device and open the F app. So for Ethereum, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. This is another pin that I have. This isn't my normal pin. I just created this one for the video. So I just logged in to the Flex, and now I'm going to click on Ethereum, and I'm going to go back over to the browser, and I'm going to click continue and select the device, click connect. And as you can see, my hardware wallet has now been connected. Now I have several different wallets here, and it's going to ask me which one I want to connect to. So you'll need to look that up and figure that out. To do that, I just looked in the Ledger Live app on my phone and saw that the wallet that I need that has my NFT in it starts with 0x50. So I'm going to go ahead, which happens to be the first one in the list. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I click unlock. And now that I have done that, my ledger has been connected. And if I click on NFTs, you can see my Megadeth Digital NFT is now present in my MetaMask. So that's great. We finished one step, which is getting MetaMask set up. So now we can authenticate into megadethdigital.io. So I'm going to go over to the megadethdigital.io page. I'm going to go ahead and refresh to clear out that message. I'm going to click on connect wallet again. I'm going to click on DApp provider, and it's going to connect with MetaMask. It's going to ask me which wallet. I'm going to use the Ledger, That's my hardware wallet that has the NFT. Click next, click confirm, and it's now connected. You can see we've connected our wallet up here. And next, I now need to log in. So to log in, I'm going to go ahead and click on the profile. I'm doing this just because you can click it from the drop down too, but I just like this because it gives you a visual representation that something changed. So I'm going to click on sign in, and MetaMask pops up. It asks me to confirm. I click confirm, and now if we look at our wallet, you can see now it says review message, and right as I did that, the screensaver came on. Okay, so we're going to review our message. We're going to swipe. It says welcome to the club. Click sign in to sign in. Cool. And I'm going to press and hold. And once I've signed in, the page will update. And you can see there is my NFT showing on Megadeth Digital. You can have multiple NFTs. So if you had more than one, they would be appearing here. And if you have perks that you can claim, the NFT would have a gold frame around it. I've already claimed all my available perks at this moment, so there's no gold frame. But if you click on it, you scroll down, you can see which perks are available. And so if you had perks that you needed to claim, you would just click on that, and then you can claim it right then and there. You can also click on perk history to see which perks that you've claimed and what dates you did. One of the things that you'll want to do is click on settings and set up your account. So for example, you can enter in your email address, your first name, your last name, and your shipping address. This makes sure that anything that you would win, whether it be a raffle or if you get some sort of physical tangible benefit, they can send it to your address. So be sure to go ahead and add that. And today I'm not going to show you how to link up your Discord. I'll do in a different video. But to link up your Discord, you would go to this page and basically set up your Discord there, and then that gives you access to special channels in the Megadeth Discord, which also gives you access to the Q&A with the band when that takes place. That concludes this video. Hopefully, now that you've seen this, you have gotten your wallet set up and you're able to take advantage of all of the tangible benefits that come with your Megadeth Digital Rattlehead token. Hope to see you in the digital mosh pit. Hope to see you at a show. And with that, I've been Justin. What is it? How does he say that? We've been Megadeth. You've been great. I've been Justin. You've been great. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Later.